Oh, who's here?
It's me.
Hi!
Woo!
I'm Kevin.
Yay! Okay, so Mitch didn't understand the assignment.
Somebody please caption this. Anyways, with a portion of this video sponsored by YouTube.
Hi.
How are you guys? Oh, didn't see you there. Just hunting some ghosts.
Oh!
Woo! Princess Cat has arrived. This is my boyfriend Cat. It just happened into me matching. How funny is this? How did we do this? This was legitimately, I know it sounds unbelievable, but not on purpose. The men are being so loud. Boyfriends, be quiet. Boyfriend. All right, you ready to make an ugly Christmas sweater?
20 to 20, let's go.
So I got everything all set up in my beautiful Christmas room. We got all the ugly sweaters. We got all the DIY crafty projects.
So here we go.
Oh my! This is incredible.
Aww,
You did this for us.
I did it just for you. Oh, it's like a family party.
I'm
Look how
just in
cute
for
we
the
are.
longest
So we're just gonna get started. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Pick your ugly sweater. And Sam, please do the cardigan.
I don't want a cardigan.
I think, yeah. You look great in that. That's perfect.
Cake too for dessert.
I think I
Ooh, turn it up. Wait, you look cute in this.
Really?
Yeah, it's nice.
This is what the cool kids are wearing this year?
This is gorgeous.
That's like,
Sam, the V-neck looks.
how deep do you want this V to go?
I've never had everyone over at once. This is a lot. And this is mine. I'm gonna do a DIY cute coat. Sorry.
Come on, I got this whole very advantage.
We are going to just go and start. So, oh my god, this is cute!
Come down.
By the way, before we officially get started with the actual DIY contest, I would just like to give a huge shout out to this portion of the video's sponsor, YouTube. You guys know YouTube is a great source for shopping inspiration, if I do say so myself. Especially during the holiday season. And if you guys need some great gift ideas, YouTube is now making it possible to shop directly from creators' videos. How cool is that?
UShop is now bringing you fabulous gift ideas right from your screen to you, featuring some of my favorite brands like Walmart to help you get into the gift-giving spirit. Like, look at all these cool things I got. So fun!
Like, you guys know I love vintage things, so we got a record player. How cool is this? I'm a terrible dancer, but if you don't want to make your own ugly Christmas sweater, buying one is the way. Like, it even holds your drink. Cheers. You can now stream and shop your favorite products all from your favorite creators' videos right from your screen, which makes shopping a breeze and more time for togetherness possible. Like this party. Look at that, guys. I made that all by myself. I'm a chef. Oh my god, this is delicious. You can stream now and shop at youtube.com/shopping. Oh, don't you just love the ring of that? So thank you so much to YouTube for sponsoring this portion of the video. And now, officially on to the contest. You have 10 minutes on the timer. Go nuts, kids.
So basically, I'm just going for a more extravagant look. Some of
This
the
is couture.
some of the more simple-minded non-fashion designers would not respect the work I'm putting in, but this took 8 years of learning in Milan to perfect this. So.
Disney movie?
No. Oh my god. It's in Italy.
Yeah.
Today on my art project, I wanted to go with a nice woodsy type feel. I have like cherries or something around it, and I think I'm gonna take the lead on this one.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, Angel, what you doing?
I'm making a little face.
How? Oh, I see it.
You see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be the best face ever. It's not happy, it's not sad, it's just indifferent. That was powerful.
What are you doing?
I was thinking of changing up the thing and making pants because nobody else has vision.
Just make it work. Hey kitten, what you doing?
So I'm making the snowman that haunts me in my dreams. I'm making his face.
Yay! Oh my god.
Look, here's the deal. Everybody else is making sweaters.
I'm building a brand.
Just working hard. You're doing so good.
I figured my strong suit was the V-neck. Really make sure that's imperative. And then we got the six-pack because we don't have that.
You're killing it right now.
You don't have any zip ties, do you? That's not in a sexual sense. That's like I need that.
Such a bad idea.
Can you post a bloopers video on another channel?
Nice.
You like it?
You're killing it.
Yeah. How do I? Give me some tips.
No, you're doing a great job. Yeah.
Does that mean you're calling it ugly?
No. What are we gonna do to mine?
Perfect.
You guys are killing it right now.
We're super gluing. I think it's already short.
I just want to take a moment to say thank you, Andrew, for showing me what glue guns are. I just thought they just shot glue out. I know why they have to be plugged in. Now I get it. They heat up the glue.
You learn something new every day. We're clearly in a room full of boys right now. I hang out with all of these people individually, one-on-one. Never in a giant group enclosed in one room. And it's never gonna happen again. I think this was the premiere and the finale. Yeah. I'm gonna do some recycling and wear the cut-off sleeves. Oh, did you need these? Okay. Oh, couture. 3, 2, 1! It's done! It's done! Cheating! Colby, please.
You like it?
Wow.
Oh. Do you have anything to say about your creation?
No.
New merch for sale.
Your merch, this is it right here, guys. Look at this.
Shop below. Contestant number 2, we have Sam. Bring it out!
I like to fling it around for him, you know what I'm saying?
What?
High-key couture, Sam. This looks fun.
It's like this screams Christmas spirit, right?
I love it. Brennan.
What? Brennan made a friend. Right.
That was expensive. Come on in, come in!
Wow.
Woo!
Of course, I was born in Paris, so fashion comes naturally to me. I added the antenna because my iPhone sometimes the service is bad, so oh my goodness. Anyways, best of luck, losers.
Okay, kitten cat, come on in. Stop, it's so cute. And
This is my sweater that I made. It's smiling because it's gonna beat all of you.
ooh.
We want bread. We want bread.
He's a sweetheart.
She's not good.
You look great. You even picked this up.
Can somebody get the other end real quick?
Yeah, I got you,
You need
dude.
3 people?
I think just sit it on my chest.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, I'll be back.
Okay. Woohoo!
I wanted to make sure I incorporated something for everybody this holiday season. There's a bird and a nest just to signify family. That's all I got for you.
You look like Thor.
I thank you. That's the best compliment you could ever give me. I've been working for that.
Whoa!
All right. Ever. Wow.
Very Grinch stole Christmas vibes.
Do you gotta do the spin?
You gotta keep it festive. I'm gonna cut that, okay. Oh my god, look how cute!
Christmas
Now, the award ceremony. All the boyfriends and cat.
She's a boyfriend too.
Here ready to go, and me. Who do you guys think won? We're gonna decide ourselves, but you guys let us know if we pick wrong. Point to who you think won in 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, who won?
You got one? Yeah, you won. Get at me!
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yay!
It's Merry Christmas, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Bye! Merry Christmas! And Happy Hanukkah and everything else. Bye! No!
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.